In this video, we will discuss about letter writing type 2. Specifically, children, we are going to discuss complaint letter. See, complaint. What does complaint mean? Complaint means some kind of dissatisfaction. And what is the need of writing a complaint letter? Why do we write complaint letters? The answer is complaint letters we need to write for when we see some offense going on in the society, some wrongdoings, some grievance or defect in commodities. Now children, comes the next point, types of complaint letters. Complaint letters are of two types. One is personal complaint letter and number two is professional complaint letter. What is personal complaint letter? As the title says, in this type of letter, we address our own problem, to address individual problem. For example, defect in commodities or theft of your scooter. Then comes professional complaint letter. In this letter, we address the issues affecting the organization as a whole. For example, rash driving by DTC drivers or insanitary and unhygienic condition of streets in your locality. So, look at this classification carefully. And now I am coming to the format which I have discussed with you in my previous video also. So, I will not take much time and discuss it quickly. See, here is the format of complaint letter. And we will be discussing complaint letter for a defective commodity or a product that you have purchased from the market. So children, I will not take much time here. In 3 lines, we will be writing sender's address, then leave 1 line here blank and write date. Then again leaving 1 line, we will write the address of the addressee to whom we are addressing, or you can say receiver's address, and it should be written in 4 lines. Then comes subject, complaint regarding defective commodity. It can be any product. Then leaving 1 line, we will come to the salutation part, sir. And children, this part is important. The body of the letter. This consists of 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, we need to mention these points. What are these points? We must include purpose of writing letter. And what is the purpose? We are complaining regarding some defects in a commodity. Then model or company of the commodity. Date of purchase, when you have purchased it from market. Bill number should be mentioned and the amount you have paid for this. These things must be kept in mind when you write your first paragraph, introductory paragraph. In second paragraph, you will mention the problems or the defects that have occurred in the commodity. The problems which you are facing. You will mention this thing in detail. And in the last paragraph, you would request the dealer to replace the item or repair it. After these 3 paragraphs are the body of the letter. You will leave a line and you mention yours sincerely. It is a complimentary clause and then your name and signature. So children, I am done with the format. After this video, I will be sending you a question and a sample letter. You will read the question carefully, write the sample letter in your notebook, and after that I will be sending you another question, and that will be your homework for today. So thank you and have a good day.